I am back with another video to help you start saving money for an emergency if you are not. And this is another 52-week savings challenge, and it is working with small amounts of money. Just like all the savings challenges I have 7 altogether. And I'm trying to encourage and motivate someone to start saving for emergencies. So, and this one is working with, like I said, small amounts of money. That way, you have no excuse. That way, when that emergency comes, you will have money to tap into. Wouldn't that be great and wouldn't that be awesome? So stay tuned for this great challenge, this great idea, and it will really help you. So stay tuned. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, welcome to another video. Thank you for stopping by. Wanda is my name and saving money is my game. If you're not saving for emergencies, let's make it yours too. Let's save more in 2025. Let's save more money in 2025, and we'll be glad that we did. And I'm asking if you will subscribe to this channel, click the thumbs up button, drop me a comment and let me know, what do you think of this video? Is it helpful? Is it a great idea? I'm very curious to know. And would you share this video, because there may be someone that can use this content also. And would you click the notification bell so you may be notified every time I upload a new video. I want to say thank you for being here. Welcome to everyone, and I hope everyone is doing well. And if you're participating in this particular savings challenge, let me know your progress so I can rejoice with you. Yeah, because I'm happy for you if you're saving money for an emergency fund. It is a great idea. I can't tell you over and over and over. I'm telling you over and over and over and over. And I'm telling you, this is good to have. I've had some emergencies since I've done these savings challenges. I don't really speak on them, but I did mention how recently I had to go to the emergency room and I ended up with a bill of $300. Now, it would have been more if I hadn't had medical insurance, but that was my copay, I guess. So anyway, but I'm well prepared for it. And that's what we want to do. We want to be well prepared for things that will come our way that's going to cost money. You know, talk is cheap. It takes money to buy land. And we don't want to be in this situation when emergency comes, okay? And we want to save at least $1,000, and that will cover emergency up to $1,000. But we don't want to stop there. We want to save 3 to 6 months of our living expenses in case something like this happens. You can still pay your rent, your mortgage, your gas bill, your electric bill, your cell phone, your car payment, your life insurance. You can still buy food. You can still carry on, okay? If you save this. Sit down and calculate what your living expenses are for the month. Multiply that times 3 or 6, and that will let you know how much you need to save. You might need to save $10,000. Somebody else might need to save $30,000. But and these emergency funds can help you just get started. Okay, so I have 7 savings challenge, and this is savings challenge number 6, which I do on Saturdays. And this is the last one for the whole week. Okay, so what you need for this savings challenge is some money, which is this. $20 bills. And you also need this. This is called my Money Box Savings Challenge, and this is a box I got off of Amazon. It was around $14, $15, something like that. And you can put these little labels on here, take them on for the different savings challenges you want to do. And this particular one was didn't have any amount on it, so I chose to do this one for $1,000. Okay, and this is how you take the money out, and this is how you put the money in. Okay, so since the beginning of 2025, I've been stuffing this, and this is considered cash stuffing. I've been stuffing it with $20 bills. Okay, and whoever else is following me with this particular savings challenge, I know I have one person, I know that for sure, Because they every now and then drop me a comment and let me know the total is wrong. And sometimes they're right and sometimes they're not. Okay? But I appreciate them. I appreciate all of you all. I appreciate all the comments you all are leaving me. It really makes me feel good. The comments you leave me and the ones that are participating. And some of you all, even if you're not participating now, you may participate next year. Someone did drop me a comment and said they're going to be all in next year. I know, sometimes we got to get our finances together. We got to pay off some things, That's understandable. Yeah. So we want to make sure we save at least $1,000. That way we won't have to go out and get this, and run up a bunch of these. Okay? And if you can, do whatever you can to pay these off. Get in your mind, I want to be free from this. Okay? Yeah. And this. And where's that other card? It must have fell on the floor. But anyway. This. Oh, yeah. And this is not free money. We pay a hefty price called interest, and the fees are horrendous. So we want to come out of this. Okay? All right. Now, I feel like this is a great savings challenge because, like I said, working with small amounts of money. And if this is your situation, if this is your situation, surely you should be able to come up with this. If you look at what all the money that is going out, how much is coming in and how much is going out, you may be even wasting this much. At least a month or maybe a week. But, if we live on less than what we make, watch our spending, have good behavior with money, don't spend money like there's no tomorrow, we should be able to come up with $20. Okay? All right. So, this particular savings challenge, you can't see the money because it's in here. The other savings challenge, you may be able to see it, like the money bottle. You can see that money. The change drawer, you can see that money. The photo album savings challenge, you can see that money. This one you can't. Now, they did have a box that was clear. And I started to get that one, but for some reason I changed my mind. But anyway, if you want to get a box like this, you could go on Amazon. And they have other kinds also. And Temu and TikTok. Yeah. Okay? All right. So, we're going to go ahead and stuff this money in this money box. And another thing that can help if we don't eat out that much, because I know we're going to still eat out some, and go to the store and buy food and meal prep. That will really, really save money and really help you. Okay? And if you're a person that likes to drink this coffee and go to this drive-thru every day or every other day or however many days a week, you can buy this coffee and you will have more coffee and spend less money. Okay? So let's go ahead and put this in our money box. All right? Then let's go ahead and record. Yeah, I know someone is following me with this one because, like I said, sometimes I have the total wrong. And they let me know that. Okay, so today is Saturday, October the 4th. And this is our money box savings challenge. And this is the last one for the week. Ugh, I'll tell you. Okay, so we added $20. Let me see how much it was last. Oh, was it last? Yeah, last Saturday. Last Saturday, I did not do a savings challenge. I didn't do a video. So, and usually what I do, I'll double it, but I'm not doubling it this time. Okay, so, last time, $20 added. The total amount is $760. So today it'll be $780. Now, if I had doubled it, it would be $800. But I didn't double it. Maybe I'll double it next week. Maybe. I don't know. But I'm just trying to show you all, long as you're doing something, if you can double it when you miss, fine. If you can't, do something, okay? All right, so thank you for stopping by. Thank you for joining me. Drop me a comment and let me know if you're doing this savings challenge or any of the other savings challenges. Let me know your progress so I can rejoice with you. You all have a safe, wonderful day, and happy savings. I'll catch you in the next video.